Today, I want to show you the easiest way to make these realistic AI influencers for free. This tutorial is different from others because I have chosen two difficult challenges. First, the face of my model looks very different from the original video. Second, I chose a busy background with plants and normal lighting to really test the AI. Usually, AI makes everything look too perfect. These small details and flaws make the video look more real, so no one will know it was made with AI. Let's get started. Before we start, if you like the world of AI and these cool tricks, please subscribe and hit the bell. This way you won't miss our future videos because we are going to work on many more great projects together. For this project, we need two main things. First, we have the reference video, which I call the source video. Second, we need the model that will replace the character in that video. To create your model, you can use different prompts or follow a specific style. For this tutorial, I used a photo of an Instagram influencer to build my own model. Then, using the source video, I will create the final result with my custom character. To start, go to the Google Flow website. I have put the link in the description for you. Click on New Project and simply drag and drop the model photo you downloaded earlier to upload it here. With this prompt, use the original image for ideas. Keep the same mood and face shape, but create a brand new person. Make a natural and realistic face with clear details, real skin, and soft lighting. Go back to Flow, click the three dots, and select Add to Prompt. Now, paste the prompt I showed you earlier. The link is in the description. Before making the image, select Nano Banana Pro and set the aspect ratio to 9:16. This size is perfect for Instagram and TikTok. I'll also set the number of images to 4 so we have more options. Finally, just click Generate to create the images. All right, the photos are ready. As you can see, there are some small flaws, but those actually make the quality even better. Some of them are very simple, with no makeup, and you can even see the freckles. It makes the final result look much more natural. Now, let's look at the source video. To match my model with the video, I need the first frame. My photo must look exactly like that frame. To get this frame, I can use an editor like CapCut or a frame extractor website. You just upload your video and it gives you the frame you need. For example, I'm going to choose and download this frame because it's much clearer. Now, let's put the model photo into the scene from the original video. First, I'll upload the frame. I named this image Ref, so I can use a prompt. This tells the AI to make the clothes and the pose in image 1 look 100% like ref.png. Now, let's head back to Flow. Choose a model, click the three dots, and select Add to Prompt to move it into the box. Do the same thing for the ref.png photo you uploaded. Finally, paste your prompt and click Generate to create the image. All right, the photos are ready. Now, I'll pick the one I like best. I click Download and select the 2K option to improve the image quality. Now for the last step, making the video. I'll go to the Kie AI website, delete the prompt and the sample photo, and upload my upscaled photo. Then I scroll down, upload the source video, and click Run. Great! The video is finished! Let's go watch it.